Choosing between Dyson and Shark vacuums is a common dilemma, as both brands are industry leaders with strong reputations for innovation and cleaning performance. Here's a detailed comparison, focusing on cleaning ability, technology, usability, and value. Cleaning performance. Dyson vacuums, especially the V15 Detect and Gen 5 Detect models, are renowned for their powerful suction, up to 230 air watts on the V15 Detect, and advanced cleaning heads. In independent lab tests, Dyson stick vacuums consistently rank among the best for removing both fine dust and larger debris from hard floors and carpets. Their laser technology highlights invisible dust, ensuring a more thorough clean, and automatic suction adjustment tailors power to the dirt level and floor type. Shark vacuums also deliver excellent cleaning results. The latest Shark Power Detect and Vertex models feature strong suction and innovative Duo Clean rollers, which excel at picking up debris of all sizes on both carpets and hard floors. Shark's Edge Detect and Dirt Detect technologies boost suction near walls and in dirty spots, while the anti-hair wrap brush roll is a standout for pet owners. Filtration and allergen control. Dyson's fully sealed, multi-stage filtration traps 99.99% of microscopic particles and allergens, expelling cleaner air, ideal for allergy sufferers. Their HEPA filters are highly effective and easy to maintain. Shark's anti-allergen complete seal technology also traps 99.9% of dust and allergens. Some models offer auto-empty bases that minimize dust exposure during bin emptying, a plus for those sensitive to airborne particles. Technology and features. Dyson vacuums are known for their powerful digital motors and intelligent sensors. Premium Dyson models like the V15 Detect feature real-time particle sensors that display the size and amount of dust being collected on an LCD screen, giving users immediate feedback on cleaning performance. Dyson's vacuum heads often include laser illumination to reveal hidden dust on hard floors, and their point-and-shoot bin emptying system is designed for hygienic, touch-free disposal. Shark, on the other hand, focuses on practical features that enhance everyday usability. Many Shark vacuums are equipped with Duo Clean technology, which uses 2 brush rolls to handle both fine dust and larger debris on carpets and hard floors. Shark's anti-hair wrap technology is a major advantage for pet owners, as it prevents hair from tangling around the brush roll. Ease of use and design. Dyson stick vacuums are lighter and more maneuverable. With wall-mounted charging docks and easy bin emptying, their LCD screens provide real-time feedback on battery and cleaning progress. Shark models are slightly heavier, but offer more flexible designs, like the lift-away feature for uprights and foldable wands for stick vacuums. Auto-empty docks and anti-hair wrap rollers add convenience, especially for pet owners and larger homes. Battery life and runtime. Both brands offer similar runtimes, up to 60 minutes on most premium cordless models, with Dyson's Gen 5 Detect reaching up to 70 minutes. Swappable batteries are available for extended cleaning sessions. Value and price. Shark is generally more affordable, with prices ranging from $100 to $500. Shark offers high-end features at a lower price point, making them a strong value choice. Dyson is pricier, typically $300 to $1,050, but justified by advanced technology, superior filtration, and cleaning power. Dyson's innovation comes at a premium. Which one cleans better? For deep cleaning carpets and fine dust, Dyson has the edge due to higher suction and advanced sensors. For versatility, pet hair, and hard floors, Shark often matches or slightly exceeds Dyson, especially with its Duo Clean roller and edge cleaning features. For allergy control, both brands excel, but Dyson's filtration is slightly superior. For value and convenience, Shark wins on price and features like auto-emptying and anti-hair wrap.